I'm back at it again with a part 2 of this goddamn video because my camera ran out of room in the memory department because I have too much shit on it. So, back to this 150 watts on 18 holes all the way around on each side. What is that? 18 is 36. 150 watts. Ooh, and the air kicked on. Ooh, that's some serious shit. God damn. I'm gonna this pulse is at 151 and up, so I'm gonna just 151. I'm not going to 200 because it's just too much. On this build, it's just way too much. My fucking cotton will catch on fire. 151. I'm gonna pulse it and see what that does. Damn, that's good. That tastes so goddamn good. It's like I'm eating cereal and fucking eating vanilla cake. It's juices this shit. It's like crack. Actually, I don't know what crack is. It's like a Twinkie. I like Twinkies, and it tastes like a Twinkie. So, that's about it for this video. In the next couple of days, I'm going to be trying to get a hold of the new Monkey King RDA, which comes from a company called Olifer or something like that, made in like Shang Zhang or Ting Tong or Bing Bang. It's pretty sick. I mean, it looks awesome. It's got a clear glass cap that's all one piece, and the airflow is unique on it because the drip tip actually, the bottom of it looks like a coil you put in a RDA tank. So it has no spit back because the bottom is sealed and it's got like 3 holes around it. It's super low profile, man. It's like that. It's a 22 millimeter and it's authentic from the company, and it's like $12. So I'm definitely gonna get that and do a video on it. So with that in mind, y'all have a good night. And in case I don't see you, peace out. But I'll see you.